I'm in Cranbrook, in the basement of the fabulous Cranbrook History Center. The museum specializes in an amazing collection of passenger cars from the golden age of rail travel, but unfortunately I have no footage of them since I chose to enjoy my tour without having to worry about filming. There's lots of other cool stuff at this museum, though, and a case in point is the amazing room in front of me. It contains two large layouts, a floor-to-ceiling O-scale layout and a meticulously detailed HO-scale layout. Both layouts depict CPR's operations in the Cranbrook area and are a lot of fun to explore. Sit back and watch the train run through these fabulous model railroads.
Oh no, this is from both places, Donna.
Oh.
Thanks for watching. This is part 2 of my BC road trip series. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out since it had us visiting a steam-powered tourist railroad. Next time, we'll be continuing our adventure and taking a look at the modern-day Canadian railroading action I witnessed as I traveled across British Columbia. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.